Welcome back everyone. Today we will study about hierarchy in classification of groups. The system of arrangement of taxonomic categories in decreasing order is called hierarchy of categories. When we arrange the taxonomic categories in decreasing order from increasing level to decreasing order, that is called taxonomic hierarchy. Linus introduced this, thus it is called Linnean hierarchy. When we classify the living organisms, only closely resembled organisms are placed in one group on the basis of the close similarities. These groups are further placed in larger group, and these larger group in turn are placed in more larger group, and so on. A specific name is given for each category. There are 7 major categories which are as follow: species, genus, family, order, class, phylum or division, and kingdom. Let us first study about species. The lowest category, regarded as the basic unit of classification, is species. Species is the lowest category. Individuals which resemble to each other morphologically, structurally, breed among themselves but not with others, and are probably descended from a common ancestors, are grouped in this category. For example, Panthera leo, which is scientific name for lion, and Homo sapiens, scientific name of human. We can define species as organism of particular kind having similar characteristics and can interbreed among themselves, are categorized as species, which is the smallest unit of classification. Moving onward, genus. Genus is a group of related species which belong to common ancestor. Group of related species which belong to common ancestor. For example, Panthera, Homo, Mangiferia, etc. are having common ancestor. Ancestors are same, but further some differences could be seen in variable species. For example, if we are talking about mango, varieties of mango are there. Taste vary, shapes vary, color vary, but the ancestors are same, that is Mangiferia. Moving onward, family. It is the group of some related genera. There could be multiple genera, for example, in the family Felidae, the genus Felis of cats, the genus Panthera of lion, tiger, leopard are placed. So family is a group of some related genera in which cat, lion, tiger, leopard are placed because somehow some similarity is found in all these variable genus. So these are organisms, as all these animals have retractive claws, some similarity is there. That's why included in same family. Other examples of family are Hominidae, Canidae, Solanaceae. These are scientific names. Solanaceae for potato. And Felidae is the family in which genus Felis, genus Panthera, Leo, etc. are grouped. Moving toward next category, that is order. The group of closely related family is called order. Such group in which some families, different families which show some similarity with each other are categorized together is called order. It is below class and above family. For example, cat belong to family Felidae, dogs belong to family Canidae. These families are assigned to the order Carnivora. Why? Because both these family of cat Felidae and dog Canidae both are carnivorous. They consume flesh as they have large canine teeth and flesh eaters. That's why both families, which are different but shows some similar characteristics such as their feeding habit, their structure of teeth are similar. That's why they are kept in same order. Other examples of order are primata. Class. It comes between division or phylum and order. The organism of a particular class possess the characteristics of kingdom, division and phylum, and some specific characteristics of class. For example, Mammalia, Aves, amphibians. Mammalia, human beings. Whale, which have mammary gland to feed their young ones. Aves, that is for birds. And amphibians, which could live in water as well as land. So Mammalia, Aves, amphibian, these are categorized as different class or phylum. Moving onward, phylum. Phylum is the second largest category of classification after kingdom, and they possess the characteristics of variable, specific character of the phylum, which are correlated with the characteristics. Some important phylum or division: Chordata, Annelida, Bryophyta. For plants, we write division. For animals, we categorized as phylum. Kingdom. The highest category of biological classification is kingdom. Each kingdom is basically different from other kingdom but possess certain features on the basis of which organisms are placed in a particular kingdom. 5 important kingdoms are Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantia and Animalia. On the basis of these 5 kingdoms, further classification is identified or studied. Moving from kingdom to species. The similarity between the organism increases and diversity decreases. Increasing order of similarity, moving from kingdom to species, whereas diversity decreases. Opposite to this, when we move from species to kingdom, similarity decreases and diversity increases. Revise this topic well. Thank you.